do the
All right.
Is it candy? It's a tiny Sony.
Yep. Battery's about yay big.
No way.
Yep.
Does it take good footage?
Yeah. You can go up to 4K.
Really?
Yeah. Our room, so.
She's got the tiniest camera in the world.
Look at that thing. It's crazy.
It's a Sony.
Yeah. Wow. That's 4K too.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4K's a good.
Yeah.
So, he's asking me what we're doing. I don't know why he's asking me what we're doing. Because you can't ask me what we're doing. So, what was the whole answer? Where'd the conversation go?
We don't know. They all went around back to we don't know. They went over to here, back to we don't know. Over to here, back to we don't know.
And I don't know why he asks us questions because they never know the answer to anything. Some things.
We know how to get back to the ship on time.
I have asked you several questions since we sat down at this table and you do not know the answer to any of them.
What have you asked?
I said, are we eating here every night? You
Yes,
said, I
we
don't
are.
know.
Oh no.
I said, what night y'all eating at Teppanyaki? You said, I don't know.
I didn't know. It's on the 15th.
I said, what day is that? You said, I don't know.
Bon Air, which I think is Wednesday.
That's exactly what you said. So you don't know. What else did I ask him since he sat down? Oh.
What his wife's name was?
Robin, do you have that rabbit in your pocket right now?
Let me tell you what. Let me tell you about that rabbit. That rabbit is on the ship. He is.
Really?
He really is. I was going to bring him to dinner and I forgot. Him and Mippy are sitting there together.
Hey Ron. Darlene.
Oh, that's at the
I mean, because at first we just thought, oh, it's a good name. She's like, Nana, did you not listen to the story in the beginning? I'm like, I remember the story in the beginning. She says, he tells you he's Rabbit, the rabbit. I'm like, well, I guess there were 4 of us, and none of us caught that.
Somebody had been drinking there.
There may have been some.
There was alcohol definitely involved.
That's right after we got kicked out of the restaurant.
After we got kicked out of the restaurant.
After you all got kicked out.
For somebody being nude.
I got the video evidence on my channel.
Right there, that's proof right there that y'all are the nude ones because they even come and talk about you being nude in the spa. That's proof right there. Proof right there.
circumstantial.
Oh, now circumstantial.
All right. We're here on deck 1. This elevator here. Like hubby said, wish they would mark them to see, you know, which ones were rare. I am going to head up to, I'm not sure, maybe up top. I will do a tour. Maybe the fun shops. In 5 and 6, yeah. Okay, that's a crew only side. Get my steps in today. Okay, got a conference room right there. Now I'm going to go the other direction. I think. Yeah. You're at the front of the shoe. Let's go back.
It's the real
Show going on in there. Comedy. Sports bar. OH.
Yeah. I hope it's not soccer, because if it's soccer, maybe if I got
Where y'all going?
It's not until 8:30.
Cabo 2.
Oh, I've been here for
How are you?
Bro.
15, 17.
Shannon.
That's what I asked.
Hey, where are you working? It's 7:40.
Who are you? LeBron James. Oh, what's up, LeBron?
No, because I'm different. I was like, are you going to come to the thing at 7:30?
All right, I'm out of here.
Gates, right?
Love y'all. Be good. Mom, we're going to cute places.
Okay, we're going up to level 5. I'll show you. LED screen.